Structure of SAS. The SAS language basically divides data processing and analysis into two kinds of steps. Data steps, which manipulates data, input and creation or deletion of variables. Procedure steps, which manipulates analysis and output. The short form for each procedure step is procedure. Each line of code in SAS language ends with a semicolon. Data storage hierarchy. Data is stored in this hierarchy. Libraries which contain data sets. This creates a reference path to library names good at storage location. Data sets, which contain variables and records. Records are rows and variables are column headers. Data sets can be temporary or they can be stored to the operating disk file systems. Example SAS code. SAS uses data steps and procedures to analyze and manipulate data. By default, a data step iterates through each observation in a data set, like every row in a SQL table. This data step creates a new data set BBB that includes those observations from dataset AAA that had charges greater than 100. The program follows. SAS makes available procedures that can summarize data. The procedure frequency procedure shows a frequency distribution of a given variable in a data set. Examples shown in a program. SAS also allows direct subsetting of rows and/or columns of the data used as input to a procedure. The two previous examples could be replaced by the following. The same program could produce a data set containing the frequency distribution. The SAS macro language enables such features as conditional execution of SAS language components either across multiple data steps and procedure steps, or within a single such step. One can think of it as a code generator, although it can also be used merely to establish static values that can be reused throughout the program and altered as needed. For instance, the above example could be reused in many pieces of codes by rewriting it as a macro. The SAS macro language program follows. And further, other macro variables could be used for both conditional execution as well as modification of the functionality of the step as shown below. The first procedure is modified to include a new parameter limit OBS, which, if used, subsets the data before performing the frequency analysis. The second macro provides overall program control functionality, including a flag indicating whether the frequency analysis should be performed at all. SAS also features SQL, usable to create, modify or query SAS datasets or external database table accessed with a SAS library name engine. For an example, duplicate records could be extracted from a table for analysis, shown as follows. The procedure prints procedure allows the users to display information in ways not possible using only the SQL select statement. SAS features SEL, which can be used to create object-oriented program. SEL programs provide a robust library of features not available in base SAS or the SAS micro language. The program follows. Output Delivery System ODS. To provide more flexibility in producing output from SAS data steps and procedures, SAS introduced the ODS. Using ODS, output can be produced in any of the following formats. The parenthesized keyword is used to activate a particular ODS system. SAS dataset output. Normal listing monoscape font. Postscript output proportional font. PDF output portable document format. HTML output for web pages. RTF output for inclusion in word processors. Many procedures produce ODS objects which can then be output in many of these formats. In addition, the ODS option of the file statement and the ODS option of the put statement allow you to customize ODS output. ODS destination. You can open an ODS output stream with the ODS command and a destination keyword. For an example, to produce HTML formatted output from the print procedure, the code shows. Using the print and ODS option of the file statement, you can customize ODS output.